Okay, so now we have Sifatullah, and he's going to give a presentation about his home city of Kabul, and Raul is listening, and we'll ask 3 questions. Okay, over to you.
Thank you very much. Today, I want to talk about Kabul, the capital and the largest city of Afghanistan. So I want to divide my topic into 3 parts. The first part is about the geographical location of Kabul. The second part is about the history of Kabul. And the third part will be a short conclusion. So, Kabul, the largest city in the capital of Afghanistan, which is located in the eastern section of the country. Kabul totally have 22 districts, and it's located in a high narrow valley between the Hindu Kush mountains and bounded by the Kabul River. With an elevation, it's about 1,790 meters, making it the highest capital in the world. The city is said to be over 3,500 years old, and the name of Kabul city is mentioned in a historical book by the name of Pata Khazana, which is meaning, the Kabul meaning is Kahpul, and it means a bridge of grass. So the Kabul is the key location of the Silk Road as well, and it has been a part of the Achaemenids, followed by Koshans, the Hindu Shahi and Turk Shahis, and others, until finally it's becoming part of the Afghan Durrani Empire. And 1747, Kabul became the capital of Afghanistan in 1776 during the reign of Timur Shah Durrani, the son of Ahmad Shah Durrani. In the early 19th century, the British occupied the Kabul, but after establishing foreign relations, they were complete to withdraw all forces from Afghanistan. Kabul is known for its historical gardens, bazaars, and palaces, with well-known examples being in the later half of 20th examples being the gardens of Babur and Darul Aman palaces. In the later half of 20th century, it became stop on a hippic trail attracting tourists, while the also gains the nickname Paris of Central Asia. The period of tranquility ended as Kabul was occupied by the Soviets in 1979, while a civil war in the 1990 between the Warlords rebel groups destroyed much of the city. From 2001, the city was occupied by coalition forces, including NATO, until August 2021, when Kabul was seized by Taliban fighters. And that's all. Thank you very much from your attention and patience.
Yep. Well,
Sifatullah, thanks for your presentation. For my ears, it was very good. So right now I have 3 questions. So the first question is, Sifatullah, would you recommend the city of Kabul for visiting?
As I said, Kabul is a very beautiful city and one of the largest city and the highest capitals in the world, and have beautiful places for visiting. And Kabul is famous for it have some gardens, some palaces like Bagh-e Babur, it's a Babur garden, and also have a Darul Aman palace, and have some districts like Paghman. It's a place to sightseeing. I recommend uh, people, to the foreign people, to visit Kabul and enjoy their lives there.
Even now?
Yeah, not yeah, yeah, no
Even
problem.
now?
Yeah, because now at the moment there's no war, no fight, but everybody can move to Kabul. Everybody can visit Kabul, and it's normal.
Okay.
Yeah.
that's
All right,
good.
thank you.
That's good. So this question maybe is a little bit complicated because I don't know. I don't know if you know exactly the inhabitants of the Kabul. How many inhabitants does Kabul have?
Habitants.
Millions.
Inhabitants. People.
Oh
Population.
yeah, the population of Kabul is same to the population of London. It's about 6.2 million people.
6 million.
Yeah,
No.
6 million people just living in Kabul.
I would say London's slightly higher.
16.
It's more
Yeah.
like 16 million.
16.
Yeah.
16 million.
Yeah.
So
And finally?
And the last question I have thought though, I'm gonna give you just one. What is the most, or what are the most important thing in the history of Kabul for you?
sorry, can you
The
please?
more important things in the history.
The more important things in the history in
Yeah.
Kabul. Yeah. The more important things in Kabul, just if I say the bridge, the name of the Kabul, which is very historical and it means Ka-Pul in Persian language. And if you change to English language, the meaning is just a bridge of grass.
Yeah.
On that time is, and also if we see the history of Kabul is over 3,500 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. So a historical city as well.
Thank you very much.